What's going on, guys? So in today's video I am going to show you how you can fix the Roblox error that says unapproved third-party application or extension detected, failed to load library SensApi dll. Now this is going to be quick and easy, so let's do this. Now first you need to open up your web browser, and from here you can type DirectX download. Now go to this website here from Microsoft, and from here just click on download. Now choose where you want to save it. I'm going to save it to my download folder. Now click on save, and after that just click on this pop-up right here. Click on yes, and it is going to open up an installer. So from here just click on accept agreement. Click on next. So you can choose not to install a Bing bar, so I will uncheck this one and click on next. And here DirectX is going to install into your system, so you just need to wait for the installation to finish. Now after that just click on finish, and you need to restart your computer for the changes to apply. Alright, so that's it for this video, guys. I hope this is helpful for you. Thank you for watching, and I will see you on the next one.